Vertical subtraction with carrying. We're going to start with something you already know how to do. Subtract 24 from 56 using the blocks. Let's go through it step by step. First, use the blocks to make the biggest number, which is 56. When you've done it, press the continue button.
56. 6 units. 6 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 5 tenths. So 5 rods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 56.
Great! Let's carry on. Now we're going to start subtracting. As always, we start with the units. 6 minus 4. Take away 4 units by dragging them into the box below. When you've finished, press the continue button.
Okay, so let's drag 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4.
How many units are there left in the box at the top? After you've entered your answer, press the continue button.
There are 2 units left. 2 boxes. 2.
That's it. 6 minus 4 equals 2. Now the tens. 5 minus 2. Take away 2 tens by dragging them into the box below. When you've done it, press the continue button.
1, 2.
Fantastic! How many tens are there left in the box at the top?
There are 3 tens left.
That's it! 5 minus 2 equals 3. 56 minus 24 is 32. On to the next one. Ready? We're going to do another subtraction. 52 minus 17. It looks more or less the same as the last one. But let's see what happens. First, we need to put the 52 in the table of blocks. 2 units. And 5 tens. Now we have to take away 17. Let's start with the units. We have to take away 7, but we can't. We only have 2 to take away from. What can we do? We can't get more blocks, because then we would have more than 52. But we'll have more units if we break down a rod of 10. Let's try it. Perfect! A 10 broke down into 10 units. Now we have 12 units. Let's write down what we've done. We don't have 5 tens anymore. We have 4. So we cross out the 5 and put a 4. We don't have 2 units anymore either. We have 12. So let's add a 1 so we don't forget. Now we can take away 7 units. So we'll drag them to the box below. And count how many we have left. 5. 12 minus 7 equals 5. We write down the result and move on to the tens. We have to take away 1 10, so we drag it into the box below. And we're left with 3. 4 minus 1 equals 3. And we have the result of our subtraction. 52 minus 17 equals 35. It's your turn to try it. Use the blocks to help you subtract 23 from 50. First, you'll have to use the blocks to represent the number 50. When you've done it, press the continue button.
50. So there are 0 units, so we'll leave that empty. And 5 tens, so let's make 5 rods. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Great! Let's carry on. Now you need to look at the number that you have to subtract, 23, and start subtracting the units. 0 minus 3. Do you have enough units to take away 3?
Nope, we don't have enough.
No.
No, don't.
You don't have enough units, but there are plenty of tens. Move a rod to the units box to break it down into 10 units. When you've done it, press the continue button.
Okay, so let's move 1 tens into
Perfect! Now you have enough units to start subtracting. Don't forget to make a note of the changes you made before subtracting. There aren't 5 rods anymore, so cross out the 5 by dragging the line to it. When you've done it, press the Continue button. Write down how many rods there are now.
1, 2, 3, 4 tens.
That's it! There aren't 5 tens now. There are 4 tens. The units have changed as well. We didn't have any units before, and now we have 10. Change the 0 to a 10 by dragging the 1 to it. When you've done it, press the Continue button. You've made the changes. Now we can subtract. Start with the units. 10 minus 3. Take away 3 units by dragging them into the box below. When you've done it, press the Continue button.
1, 2 units, and 3 units.
Very good! How many units are there left in the box at the top? After you've entered your answer, press the Continue button.
Let's see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units left. 7.
Great! 10 minus 3 equals 7. Now you only have the tens left to subtract. You have to subtract 2 from 4. Take away 2 tens by dragging them into the box below. When you've done it, press the Continue button.
So let's take away 1, 2.
Great! How many tens are there left in the box at the top?
There are 2 tens left.
Perfect! 4 minus 2 equals 2, and the result of the subtraction is 27. Now you know how to subtract with carrying.